Alright, so more from the unboxing. So, it's an actual pin, twist to turn. Like I said, this part right here can be used to break windows or also jab people. You see it's got a place for the finger there. It's a fist pack. And then you can also use to jab that way or that way. It feels like the pin's pretty hard. You could probably break that off into somebody and slow them down if you put it in their knee or something. Not condoning violence, but if somebody gets in their personal space within your personal space when you're within the reach of them, that means that basically you're in self-defense mode. And something like this works pretty good for that. I cannot believe how hard this feels. Like, it definitely applying the pressure. I could feel like if you were to jab that into somebody, it would definitely slow them down a little bit. Like I said, plus it's a fist pack. It's an actual writing pin. I might opt for a little bit more expensive one, or see what Don sells over at a gym by we have a Katie wants to check it out too. Anyway, he is part of a gym over in Yuba City by if I remember right, kind of by like Schools Credit Union or somewhere over there. Hardly anybody knows about it. They're looking to open one up in Plumas Lake, and I hope to bring some more content through Livon and Don. He teaches a self-defense course every weekend, plus he's a personal trainer. Reach out to me in the comments or a message, on my other social media, and we'll basically try to put you in contact with him. But this was definitely something kind of neat. Obviously, I've always got a knife on me. This is just, let's see, what is this? It's a SOG. Works pretty good, for almost anything. That could be considered more of a lethal weapon. You're definitely not going to be able to take that certain places. A lot of places this will make it through because it's just a pretty nice pin. Obviously, if you're law enforcement, and wearing armor or got a gun, even if you're a security guard, this isn't going to pose much threat. But it would be to a would-be attacker, and better than your fist, especially if you're a female or a smaller framed man, that maybe doesn't have upper body strength too much or whatever. But I suggest you research your personal boundary space, what the law says about that in California. Don taught a woman how to defend herself. She had somebody come up aggressively panhandling, and had to put his tools to use that he passed on to her, and everything ended up all right. But definitely prepare yourself and be ready to defend yourself, whether you're a man, woman, or I guess probably even a teenager could probably use this. And walking through the hood and scary places. Alright, well, that pretty much sums it up. It's pretty light. I'd say it's less than half a pound, maybe a quarter pound, something like that. Feels very nice in the hand. Feels like it'd be good for riding. It's got a good girth to it. Basically, these grooves here for holding on. It's actually a pretty nice writing pen, if I had to guess. So, let's see if it writes on cardboard. That's the test of quality pen, right? Turning it the wrong way. They sent you 3 refills too. That's pretty cool. Oh, look at that. First use, works on cardboard. Like I said, not too bad. Not too much to carry around. Looks like the clip might be durable for a while on the pants pocket, even if you work outside. I didn't get paid to do this promotion. I just saw it, like I said, at Livon, and volunteered to be the attacker, and thought it'd be something cool to share. Alright, have a good night, have a good afternoon, have a good morning wherever you are. God bless.